Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two drones that could make or break your aerial adventures. On the left corner, we have the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone. Let's call it F7. And on the right corner, we have the 4DRC V4 mini foldable drone, V4 for short. Buckle up because we're about to take off. First up, let's talk money. The F7 will set you back $258, while the V4 is a mere $89. So if you're on a ramen noodle budget, the V4 might be your best friend. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for. Reviewers note that while the F7 offers more advanced features, the V4 is a budget-friendly option that still provides a fun flying experience. Next, let's zoom into the camera quality. The F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with an adjustable 90 degrees angle, making it like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. Meanwhile, the V4 gives you a 1080p camera. Reviewers say the F7 is great for capturing high-quality videos and pictures, while the V4... So if you're aiming for those jaw-dropping Instagram shots, F7 has got you covered. Now let's dive into the flight features. The F7 is packed with intelligent functions like GPS mode, optical flow mode, waypoint flying, orbiting, and even tracking subjects. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. On the other hand, the V4 has some fun tricks up its sleeve too: 3D flips, headless mode, trajectory flight, and gravity control. Reviewers appreciate the F7's advanced capabilities for serious flying, while the V4's playful features make it a hit for beginners and kids. Let's talk juice. The F7 offers up to 60 minutes of flight time with its two batteries, which reviewers love for long adventures. Meanwhile, the V4 gives you 26 minutes of flight time. Not bad, but you might want to keep an eye on that battery meter. So if you're planning a long adventure, F7 is the marathon runner, while V4 is more of a sprinter. Are you a drone newbie? No worries. The F7 is beginner-friendly with its one-key return function and precise GPS positioning, making it a favorite among reviewers for its ease of use. The V4 is also perfect for beginners with its one-key takeoff, landing, and headless mode. While both drones are great for first-timers, the F7 gives you that extra safety net. Overall, reviewers find the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone to be a durable and feature-rich option, especially praised for its camera quality, battery life, and customer support. On the other hand, the 4DRC V4 mini foldable drone is celebrated for being a budget-friendly, easy-to-use choice, perfect for beginners and casual use. However, it has some concerns regarding durability and reliability over time. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a high-end, feature-packed drone and you've got some cash to splash, the F7 is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want to have a blast, the V4 won't let you down. Whichever you choose, just remember to have fun and fly smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you in the next video.